In Louisiana, a shrimp processing facility was ready to expand with a new state-of-the-art plant to meet growing demand and boost efficiency. To make this vision a reality, they turned to HafeziCapital, who structured a comprehensive USDA feasibility study to secure critical financing. We conducted a deep dive into the facility's current operations and the proposed expansion, analyzing everything from cost projections to revenue streams and environmental impact assessments. The result? A meticulously crafted study that showcased the project's potential to enhance efficiency, increase capacity, and improve product quality, all while supporting local jobs and the shrimp industry. The facility secured the USDA loan it needed to expand, strengthening its position in the competitive market. Looking to secure USDA funding? HafeziCapital is here to help. Contact us today.